Namaste YouTube, welcome to Cafe Noma and welcome to our reaction to Belle and Sebastian. We are going to react to the song Asleep on a Sunbeam. This is our first time to listen to this song. It is a request of our patron Jeffrey. Let's listen to it, give an honest and open reaction.
When the half-light makes for a clearer view, sleep a little more if you want to, but restlessness has seized me now, it's true. I could watch the dreams flicker in your eyes, lying here asleep on a sunbeam. I wonder if you realize you fascinate me so. If you think you need inspiration, roll out the map and mark it with a pen. I will follow every direction. Just lace up your shoes while I'm fetching a sleeping bag, a tent. I know the summer's passing by. All I need is somewhere out. Feel the grass beneath my feet. A walk on sun, a fire I can warm my hands. My joy will be complete. Thought about a new destination. Short of new inspiration, roll out the map and mark it with a chain. Make my plans to conquer the country. I'm waiting for you to get out of your situation, with your job and with your life. All I need is somewhere I feel the grass beneath my feet. A walk on sand, a fire I can warm my hands. My joy will be complete. I know the summer's passing by. All I need is somewhere out. Feel the grass beneath my feet. A walk on sand, a fire I can warm my hands. My joy will be complete.
Nice, this is nice, refreshing. Maybe a wrong time for all the people who may be in a lockdown still to listen to a song like this. They will start weeping that they can't feel all the things that the song is talking about: the outdoor, the wilderness, the grass beneath their feet, the sand to walk on, and just the sunshine to absorb in. It's an experience, and all these years we had it, but we kind of valued it, sometimes we didn't. This time it has become very special and precious. I like the way it started with the female vocalist of Belle and Sebastian. I think this is the first song we are reacting, if I remember correctly, where she starts the song.
Yeah,
Or at least it felt like.
I must confess, till now I always thought Belle and Sebastian was a duo of brother and sister, of a brother named Sebastian and sister named Belle. But thanks to Jeffrey making these wonderful videos,
Yeah.
which you seem to be getting better and better at,
Yeah,
with the
very
pictures
clean
and
and
lyrics. This was really interesting to look at. You have the pictures, you also have the lyrics. So it's a wonderful experience to view these videos and of course listen to the song alongside. So I always thought that was, brother sister duo, duo and then possibly other musicians along with them. But now I know that the vocalist Stuart Murdoch, so he was the
And
one who
Sarah
came in
Martin.
later today,
Yeah.
and the female vocalist is Sarah Martin.
Yeah.
So I don't know if these are the permanent vocalists, but because I couldn't get a good listen to the male singer who came in later. But yeah, so it doesn't seem like there's any Belle and Sebastian as such.
I think when first time ever we reacted to Belle and Sebastian, people wrote something about the background, how the name came about.
Yeah, the thing is we don't read most of our
All of the
comments at
comments,
times. And so let's see, we'll do our research. We avoid reading it because if we get too involved with the background and things of the band members, then it might taint our view during our...
We become obviously more biased. We
Yeah.
develop a
And,
soft corner.
It's not that we don't like reading those kind of comments, it's just that it will taint our view and make it a slightly biased review, especially if we enjoy the songs. This was a good song, really strong, wonderful song. It had a summer written all over it, sunny day written all over it, and very, very nice tribute to the great outdoors, to sunshine, to Mother Nature, to just spending time together, hanging out, on a nice sunny day under the blue sky, possibly resting under the shade of a wonderful beach umbrella or a shade of a large oak tree, or if it's in India, a banyan tree. Beautiful, beautiful poetic writing. I enjoyed the writing. I enjoyed
Yeah,
the way it flowed, and it was fun to
fun
listen
to
to.
listen to it.
I do remember Belle and Sebastian songs where it's very dark, intense. This was more bubbly, upbeat, cheerful. So I will remember this one.
I would say even a bit childish the way it was written, as if it's you're listening from a child's point of view. So much fun and so much pure fun that was mentioned here. There was also mention of regular life and things like that, job and the scene with your job and things like that. Once you have figured it out and we can go and enjoy. Just let me know. We open the map, we pin it, the location, and then we go. That kind of assurance and promise here. People are waiting for those days when they could really pack their bags and leave and go wherever they wanted, anywhere in the world. That is not possible right now with so many restrictions. Things change in life and in world. People would say that. Now people are really realizing it. In matter of hours, things are changing. Things are changing and things are changing. That quick and that rapid changes are being seen, are being witnessed, and that is teaching people lots of valuable lessons for the long run. Those who make it through, those who are still safe, those who have been very, very smart about things, very, very careful, and those are the people who always are smart and they plan things better. They are very happy.
Well, if you just wear a mask and follow social distancing guidelines,
Easy.
the virus will never get to you.
Yeah.
Simple.
It's easy.
So far it's been simple for both of us
Yeah.
because we followed those basic 2 rules along with several others.
Of course, hygiene,
when we are
cleanliness. Yeah.
getting to home deliveries and groceries, etc. Definitely we are a lot more careful with the way we handle them. But these are the basic 2 rules. If you just wear a mask and gloves if you can afford to, especially if you're going out shopping or picking up deliveries which are coming to your doorstep or at the gate downstairs, a set of gloves is very important. Not the same ones, of course rubber gloves are easily available at most places. I don't know if it's available in the West as easily as it's available here.
I think it is.
So yeah, I mean, I have a lot of empathy for all those people who made their bucket list, things to do before they die,
Yeah,
or
things to do
things to
before
do
they die.
in 2020. I have empathy for them, but at the same time, I also find it funny. Now's the best time to sit and laugh at those bucket list ideas because people get so caught up and obsessed with those bucket list ideas, traveling the world,
Yeah.
doing this and that in that place and that country and all. I wonder what they're doing now. Because their whole year or life seems to revolve around those things, or at least that phase of their life. What do they do now? So I have a lot of empathy for them. I hope they're doing well. And spend time in meditation. It will definitely help you. And perhaps it will help you reach a higher state of consciousness. That's it for this one.
Thank you for watching.